The storm was raging, and we actually witnessed the pier go down. And it was not only a sight to see, but to hear the pylons wrapping against each other. And the destructive force of the water was just incredible. And now to come the day after and to see it looks like a war zone here with debris everywhere and trees and logs and water everywhere. And it's something we've never seen before. The cleanup is going to take a long time, and people have to be patient, and it's something that's going to be with us for a long time. This is no easy fix.
A lot of residents live down here, especially people on rent down here, and just seeing the loss and property damage down here is pretty significant. It's going to take a lot of manpower, a lot of money, a lot of effort by the community to get it back where it needs to be.